Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. This week we were supposed to be on the Rubicon, and that didn't happen because the forest is on fire. So I came down to St. George instead and stayed with my buddy Matt. You probably remember Matt, one of my last videos. He lives down here in St. George and was nice enough to let me stay with him. Too bad we're not on the Rubicon, but oh well. It happens. We'll just have to plan for it again next year. So today we're gonna go do Sliplock Gulch. That's a fun trail that I've done a few times. We're actually gonna be leading it for Trail Hero. Driver a little bit. Hey, you gotta, man, that's good. Yeah, driver just a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Look at this tire. Good. Well, we made it through the V-notch. That was pretty nuts, huh?
Crazy, dude.
That's a crazy little obstacle because you're riding on like an inch of wall on the tires. It's pretty awesome.
It.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
Well, you're going up that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am just a mall crawler.
That's true. It's true. Show Jensen how it's done, huh? Yeah, that's right, you are.
He's got to show off.
I have no idea. I've never done this. Go more passenger. I don't know. Wait.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Okay.
Jump on top.
Nice.
That's cutting it close. That's right. You're gonna hit this wall. Okay.
I don't want to hear any rubber squealing.
A lot.
Sorry about that. Bleep. Just bleep it out.
Yeah, I know. I'm just messing with you.
Hello, Mr. Let's
Oh! Oh!
Bleep. Just leave it out.
Yeah, I'm just messing with you.
Hello, Mr. Lizard. Whoa! Look at him! There goes Jensen!
He come at you?
He jumped.
Like in my direction, but that was.
I got that recorded.
Really?
Where's he at?
He's in your engine compartment.
Oh, good. That's the best spot I hear. Let's get him out of there. Hello, lizard. There he goes. He's coming for you. Just run. Don't fall on your back.
Coming this way.
Okay, so we finished with Sliplock Gulch, and it was my dumb idea to come over here and try out Hardtop Alley, which is just right at the end of Sliplock.
Your hand. Okay. Oh yeah, it's your hardtop would have been definitely that paint that we saw. Yeah. Yep.
Well, you can see I'm holding a strap, and you can see the Jeep behind me there. Well, we're pretty much wedged into this wall. I mean, we are resting on the wall. The mirror's tucked in. I'm glad I don't have the hardtop on. That's why it's called Hardtop Alley, I guess. I think it probably needed to be more passenger. I don't really know, honestly. But I gotta get the strap hooked up so we're gonna try and pull the top of the Jeep over a little bit and then drive forward and see what happens. So wish me luck.
It's good.
Hey, we survived. How's the hardtop? I mean the soft top.
It's not that bad.
No?
Yeah, it just scuffed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to do this. You want to do that one.
I think I just want to go from where I'm at.
Oh, come on. You're not going to let Jensen show you up, are you?
If it's a show like that, yes.
Good. Good. This way. Just a little bit. Your backs are what I worry about. See that back tire? Keep it on that lip. Great, so it doesn't, make sure that doesn't come off. You can almost, yeah, you're good now. Right, gents. That was sick. Run the bloopers.
Okay. This is, I think, attempt number 3 at finishing off this little video. Okay. Anyways, we got through the Hardtop alley. I'd like to try it again sometime when I don't have to have another Jeep pull me off the side of the wall. But anyway, for now, we're gonna go get some lunch. But I just wanted to show you the little bit of damage we got. I don't even know if you'd call it damage, but it's just a little bit of scratching on the door surrounds there and over here, and then on the soft top there a little bit. So overall, not too bad. But we have to have some kind of proof that we were here.
You left your mark.
Yeah, that's right. On the rock and the Jeep, so. Yeah. Well, I think we're done with Sliplock. We're gonna go get some lunch. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you're watching this before Trail Hero, sign up for Sliplock and come join us on the trail on Saturday. And we'll see you guys on the trail. Take care.
You're moving.
Put it in park.
There you go. I was like, where's the thing?
Why are we moving? Okay. Jeez, man.
You put
what an amateur over here.
You've gone out.
I'm struggling.
Hello, Mr. Lizard. Whoa! Look at him. There goes Jensen. He come at you.
Yeah,
He jumped.